Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. And if I can do this, you can too. Today we're making chocolate sourdough discard cookies. You heard that right. It's got that sourdough discard in there. Anyone still making their sourdough? Anyone? 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 Well, if you are, you know about that discard. You got to take some out and add some fresh flour in and feed it. It's like the feeding time for the sourdough. Whatever the case is, you're going to have this discard probably that you don't know what to do with it. Well, this is a great recipe. Chocolate cookies. I mean, come on, chocolate. It's going to add a little bit of extra tang to the cookies. And the cookies, of course, are going to go in the refrigerator. Bravo to King Arthur Baking for putting that in this recipe. Refrigeration is key. And then we're going to bake them. Comes together really quickly. Of course, I was inspired by this song. I want chocolate. Yeah, don't we all want a chocolate? Like all the time? Like, yeah. Microwave your butter until it's just melted. The butter's melted, mostly. That's okay. Add your sugars in. Light brown sugar, granulated sugar. Mix until fully combined, about a full minute. We want this to sort of appear light and fluffy and get lighter in color. Should be nice and creamy in that minute time that you have been whisking. Salt, baking powder, baking soda, and my addition of a half teaspoon of espresso powder because it just makes that chocolate kind of come out more. Whisk until combined. Add your sourdough discard. You'll see that's nice and bubbly, as your sourdough discard should be. Egg, vanilla, and I've got some vanilla paste here. Vanilla extract is fine too. Whisk until combined. Flour, cocoa powder. Stir in until no streaks remain. Stir in your chocolate chips. Cover with plastic wrap. Into the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. You could even leave it overnight, I'm just saying. When you get to that hour-and-a-half mark with your cookie dough in the refrigerator, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And yes, refrigeration is not optional. Use a really big cookie scoop because these are going to be big. And just like ice cream, you're going to go into your bowl like so. And move it right over and put it on your cookie sheet. Into the oven for 14 to 16 minutes. Time's up, and they're looking nice and matte on top, which is what you want. But you still want them to be a little soft. Let them cool on the cookie sheet, and then we'll take them off. Look at this fantastic chocolate sourdough discard cookie. I mean, come on. Look at that. Baked perfectly on the bottom. Smells delicious, and so does my kitchen. But it's all in the taste, so let's give it a bite, see how that espresso powder, if it really did pull through that chocolate, and how that sourdough discard in here actually tastes. Let's give it a bite. This is just a fantastic chocolate cookie. I mean, come on. It's got those chocolate chips in it. Espresso powder does pull through that chocolate a little bit more, just adding a little bit of depth. And the sourdough discard in there, you can't really taste, but there is something extra to it. And I love using it in a cookie because, I mean, who doesn't want to make cookies? The cookies almost taste like a brownie, and they're crisp on the outside and then chewy in the center. I mean, super delicious. Yum. If I can make these chocolate sourdough discard cookies for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you see any of the products I've used in this video, feel free to check out my Amazon storefront in my bio. And check me out on Instagram and TikTok for a whole lot more, like really a whole lot more.